We have the
Teacher.
example. Yes? Can you put a check as I will describe something? Okay, let's have number 1. Dan's father is playing with a puppy. What is Dan's father doing now? Can you put a check? Which picture is Dan's father's action as of the moment? Dan's father is playing with a puppy. Can you put a check? Which picture is it?
Mm,
Dan's father. Number 1. Dan's father is playing with a pet. Can you put a check? All right. Very good. Oh, there's a dot. Oh, good. Good job, Fong. And how about number 2? Let's have number 2. Okay, let's have number 2. Lily and Dan are playing badminton. Which is the badminton in here? Oh, I think that is ping pong. Okay, good job. That is badminton. And this one is ping pong. Okay, we have here. This is badminton.
What is ping pong?
It's a game. Okay, this is badminton.
Pong.
This is soccer. Ping pong is, the
The
English
song.
for ping pong is table tennis. Yes, it's table tennis. But in Philippines, we usually say ping pong.
Ping pong is song.
Strong?
Song.
A song
Song.
in Vietnam?
Yes.
Oh, in Philippines, it's a sport, a table tennis. That is ping pong for us. We have different meanings for words. I see. Now let's proceed to number 3. Okay, let me describe number 3. How does Dan's mother go to work? Okay, Dan's mother go to work by riding a train. Can you put a check mark on the train? Dan's mother is riding a train. Where is the train? Oh, very good.